Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Doubt 9. Today we will see which is the largest animal on the earth. Yes, blue whale is the largest animal ever lived on the earth. The blue whale is larger than any other animal ever lived on the earth, including mammals and dinosaurs. Blue whales are mammals. They give birth to their calves, produces 200 liters of milk every day. They are cosmopolitan creatures. Blue whales are found in all oceans except Arctic, as Arctic Ocean remains covered with ice throughout the year, including summer. Blue whales are seen on surface blue-gray in color. However, in deep water, they seem blue. Their underbellies take on pale yellow color from the millions of the microorganisms that take up residence in their skin. They are very heavy, generally 100 to 150 tons in weight. Heaviest found so far is 220 tons in weight. To compare, the tare weight of the two AC coaches of train is 51 tons. The weight of one whale is equal to such 4 coaches. Approximate weight of the one African elephant is 6 tons. The weight of one blue whale is equal to 30 such elephants. Also, it is said that blue whales weight slightly smaller than United Nations Space Shuttle. They are gigantic in length, very large in length, generally varies 80 to 110 feet. Largest ever found of 100 feet length. To compare, their approximate length is equal to 2 coaches of the train. They have a very big tongue. The tongue alone of female whale found in Antarctica weighs over 4 tons in weight. Their weight is greater than weight of two mid-sized cars having 2 tons weight. They are having very big heart, use largest heart in all animals, approximately 180 kg in weight. Their heart beats 2 to 37 beats per minute. When female dives to feed, giant heart will only beat twice per minute. Biggest babies on the earth. At the birth, baby is around 4 tons in weight and around 8 meters in length. Baby gain around 90 kg weight per day for the first year. Growth rate fastest in the animal world with several billion-fold increase in tissue in the 18 months from the conception to weaning. They feed on the krill. Blue whales feast on krill, tiny shrimps like crustaceans that live throughout the Earth's oceans. Their stomachs can hold 1000 kg of tiny krill at a time. They require almost 4000 to 8000 kg of krill a day. They take around 400 million krill daily during the summer feeding season. They are unusually very loud. Blue whales are the loudest animal on the planet. Calls of whale described as pulses, drums, groans, moans, and are in 15 to 40 hertz in range. They make 13 different types of sounds. Sounds used to keep safe distance among themselves or communication among themselves or feeding, alarm, code sleep, social, and to identify topographic features and to find out distance of the thing. Call of the blue whale reaches 188 decibels, whereas the jet engine registers at only 150 decibels. Their calls can be heard by others up to 1600 kilometers away. They travel a lot and breed fast. Whale moves for breeding towards equator during winter and spends summer breeding in polar region. Blue whales are typically swim at 8 km per hour while they are feeding and traveling, but can accelerate more than 32 km per hour or short bursts. They are having very long lifespan, one of the longest lived animal on earth. Lifespan generally around 80 to 19 years, oldest found around 100 years old. Age estimated by the counting the layers of wax-like ear glue collected from the deceased whales. Reproduction. The gestation period is approximately 10 to 12 months. Whale cows are nursed for about 6 to 7 months, meaning probably occurs on or en route to summer breeding areas. Age of the sexual maturity is 5 to 15 years. Calving interval is 2 to 3 years. Most reproductive activity, including birth and mating, takes place during the winter. They once were abundant. Blue whales were used as a source of oil. Unfortunately, blue whales were hardest hit species by the commercial whaling. From 1904 to 1967, more than 350,000 blue whales were killed in southern hemisphere according to the World Wildlife Fund. In 1931, during the heyday of the whaling, an astounding 29,000 blue whales were killed in a single season. Then, the International Union for the Conservation of Nature lists the species as endangered and give worldwide protection in 1967. Rays of hope. Population post-commercial hunting ban is improving. Currently, there are about 5 to 10,000 blue whales in the southern hemisphere and about 3 to 4,000 in the northern hemisphere. However, the blue whales' preferred food source, krill, is now finished commercially. Their recovery from the commercial whaling is in direct competition with commercial fishes in southern areas. As that fishery takes more and more krill, the slow increase in number of blue whales may stop or even be reversed. However, hopefully with the time, the planet's largest gentle giant will gain roam the seas aplenty. Yes, we are lucky enough to see this gentle giant roaming in the sea. However, are we passing this to our next generation? The true environmental protection lies in loving the mountains, the oceans, in cheering all creations. Thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video.